Welcome to UpNest. We bring top local agents to help you win the home of your dream. Charlotte Salter is part of CES Premier Real Estate Services Incorporated and has been a licensed broker for 12 years. Charlotte is super connected on LinkedIn. Charlotte specializes in relocation, fine luxury homes, and has local knowledge of Berkeley, El Trito, Hercules, Pinole, and Richmond. Charlotte offers printed flyers and postcard advertisements. Charlotte Salter's featured property is in Concord and has 3 beds, 2 baths, and approximately 1460 square feet of finished space. This featured property is worth an estimated $4,699,000. To view Charlotte's complete profile, and to receive buyer rebates from Charlotte, and other top-ranked real estate agents in your area, visit upnest.com. We give you an edge in today's real estate market and save you thousands.